In this video, we're going to program Homelink in a new 2025 Taycan. Before you begin the Homelink process, make sure you're in Park. Let's get started. I'm going to select the Homelink icon, and we're going to choose a button to configure. For this video, we'll select button 1. Now, I'm going to take the remote, and as it says here in the pop-up, I'm going to point it at the bottom of the mirror and hold down the button. All right. Configuration of the handheld transmitter has been successfully completed. A rolling code system has been detected, and now we have to synchronize. So let's do that. I'm going to select Synchronize and go program the garage door. Okay, so we're here in the garage with our garage door unit. Now, you may have a unit on the wall here, but you may need to program on the actual garage door opener unit. Make sure you check out your instruction manual for those instructions. Now here, we're going to select Menu. We're going to go down to Program, select Enter, and we're going to go down to Remote. Now, it may say Learn, it may say Programmed, it may say a wide variety of different things. For this, we're going to select Enter. Now I've got 30 seconds to get to the vehicle to synchronize the two. Okay, so I've programmed my garage door on the inside. Now we need to make sure everything is all set. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press once on the bottom of the mirror and then a second time to see if we're all synchronized. So one push and then a second long push, and the garage door didn't move. This is totally fine. It may take a few times to be able to do this. So we're going to go ahead and say it did move that time. So no, and we'll repeat the process. Here we go. Let's do it a second time. I'm going to press once on the mirror and then a second time there. And let's see if the garage door moved. There we go. The garage door is closing. All right. I'm going to select Next here. And then did it move? Yes, it did. And we'll continue. The remote has been synchronized successfully. We'll select Finish. You now can use the Homelink garage door opening system in your new Taycan.